Scald. The coffee scalded her tongue. The boiling water scalded my hand. Burn. I burned my hand today. My mother burned her finger while cooking. Stiff neck. I have a stiff neck after working hard. Hit. I accidentally hit my finger with a hammer. Splinter. A splinter went into my finger when I hit the axe. Fracture. I have a fracture in my leg. I have a fracture in my hand due to yesterday's accident. Blister. I have blisters on my feet. Concussion. He has a concussion after falling board on his head. Graze. I fell while playing football and grazed my knee. Sting. A bee stung my arm. Bite. The dog bit my leg. She was bitten by an insect. Bruise. I have bruises around my eyes. Bump. I bumped my head on the shelf. Cut. I cut my finger while cutting an apple. Numbness. He feel numbness in his hands. Swollen. Her hand was swollen. Prick. I got a prick on my finger from the cactus. Scratch. My cat scratched my face. Cramp. My period cramp started. I could not sleep because of my leg cramps. Sunburn. My face was raw with sunburn.